This is the reason why Jesus Christ told us how to live our lives from Matthew 5 to 7. If we don't have many attachments in life except Him, you will fear nothing, mga classmates. And we also know that God is a God of love. Thus, He will provide what you need. He will not leave you hung out to dry. Satan will instill that fear in you, but it is a lie. And even if the worst thing happens, you know that when you did something because of true faith in the Lord, the reward may not be here in this world, but eternal life afterwards. That's why the apostles, mga classmates, although they made mistakes in Jesus' lifetime, they certainly made up for it, except Judas and almost all 11 of them died as martyrs. Because when you truly believe in God, mga classmates, there's fear felt, but it will never stop you from doing His will. We are called to stand for truth, knowing God is with us. He will give you what you need 110% as you are more valuable than anything to Him. But even the hairs of your head are all numbered. Fear not, therefore, you are more value than many sparrows, as is stated in Matthew 10, verses 30 to 31.